I care about the Great Bear Rainforest.
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 I love the Great Bear Rainforest.
I care about the Great Bear Rainforest.
Because it's the largest remaining coastal temperate rainforest left on our planet.
Because I want to see these animals in their natural habitat.
Because it's in my blood and culture to respect everything Mother Nature has to offer.
Because I like bears.
Because I like spirit bears.
Because it's home to so many of our animal friends, including, of course, the Great Bear.